Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Aeon Trespass Odyssey. This cooperative campaign game plunges 1 to 4 players into an alternate ancient Greece, where you command the city ship Argo. Your journey unfolds across 3 core gameplay phases: voyage, adventure, and battle. The ultimate goal is to fight off monstrous primordials and restore balance to the world, all while navigating a rich, choice-driven narrative that spans dozens of hours. During the voyage phase, you move your Argo across the map, with each move representing 1 day. This exploration reveals new tiles and opportunities to gather resources. The adventure phase involves reading from a storybook, where your choices directly influence the unfolding narrative and campaign outcomes. You'll pursue main story objectives and delve into numerous side quests, known as hub adventures, each offering unique challenges and rewards. Combat in Aeon Trespass Odyssey is a tactical boss battler experience. You control powerful 30-foot titans, melding with them to confront gargantuan primordials. The unique inverted combat paradigm means your titans grow stronger, gaining rage and unlocking abilities as the battle progresses. Conversely, primordials escalate in danger and gain new abilities as they suffer wounds. Strategic gear choices and skill management are crucial for victory. Beyond battles, you'll manage the Argo, your mobile base of operations. This includes researching new technologies, crafting powerful weapons and armor, and carefully managing resources such as hull integrity and crew morale. You'll also train your Argonauts, evolving their skills and unlocking new titans. Forging alliances and navigating political intrigue are also vital, as your decisions can lead to one of many victory or defeat conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.